Oh, it splits into two. Holy mother of God.
Another good biker.
Holy hell, this is like a roller coaster. Like, it's so steep that I can't even see the bottom.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going camping again. Hey guys, so we are now at a campsite. We have Alaska with us, as you can see there. We have sushi from the grocery store for dinner and a couple of beers. A lager. Anchor is a brewery in San Francisco, so I actually like them. Here's the two bikes. We didn't forget them this time, and we also didn't forget the keys this time, and we also brought our helmets, jackets, pants, and boots. But I think we're gonna ride tomorrow instead. Cheers! Cheers, guys!
Nice and cold.
Yeah. It's actually nice. We got here at a decent hour. I was worried because we didn't leave till what, close to 4 or 3, something like that. And historically, we've been arriving at camp at night. I would actually like to take this time to thank David, one of my subscribers, for your generous donation. Thank you so much. We really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We just moved, and this is actually a little bit of downtime that we have that I thought, you know, we should go out, do something, because
Next weekend we'll be busy again.
Oh,
so,
yeah. For months and months and months. It's probably not obvious because I always put out videos on YouTube every week, but I am running out of future videos because we've been really busy in, you know, moving and working, and work's been super busy. So
it's been crazy.
So it's actually nice to get away.
Yeah, this is our first trip since we moved.
I know. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
Yeah, for breakfast, and then we'll do some riding.
Good night, guys. Hey guys, good morning. So it is past 8 already in the morning, and Kyle's still sleeping. So we'll be riding after breakfast. I just wanted to show you guys my new coffee setup. I keep changing because I can't make up my mind. I prefer pour over, but I've been lazy lately, so I've just been using this. You don't even like coffee. And so I got this one, and I thought when I bought it online, I thought it was like twice smaller, and it ends up being this big. But you know what? It's plastic and it's cheap, so at the most, I was thinking if I had gone moto camping, if it wouldn't fit in the luggage, I would just strap it on the bike, and you know, no harm, no foul. It's like $18. Look, yummy coffee. This blanket is so comfortable. Just wanted to mention thank you to Get Out Gear for providing this blanket for this camping trip. This is actually a packable blanket. It's a down blanket, and it has snaps, so you can use it as a poncho. I actually don't use the snaps because I'm short, and if I use the snaps and I stand up, the blanket is swaying on the ground, so I don't like using it like that way, but it's super soft and super comfy. So thank you, Get Out Gear, for providing this for this camping trip. If you guys are interested or need a blanket to supplement your sleeping gear, then there's a link in the description below for this blanket. They also offer synthetic version if you guys don't want to get the down. The reason I chose down is because it packs smaller, and it just gives me that option in case I need to do backpacking or moto camping instead of the trailer. Alaska, come here. Come here. You're gonna get so many foxtails. We let her roam around all day yesterday, and Kyle spent hours taking off foxtails from her fur and burrs because there's too many right now. And foxtails are not good for dogs because it can cause infection. They burrow into their skin, and then, and she doesn't really groom herself, not like the other two dogs that we have. Alaska, come here, baby. I was like thinking, I want to be able to ride without thinking about the dog, so we don't want to bring any dogs on this trip. But then the new house that we moved into, the fence is not intact, so we are afraid she will actually escape, so we had to bring her with us. Yeah, the other two, they're not gonna escape. They like being inside the house, but she likes to roam around, and she doesn't know the area yet because we just moved there, so we're probably gonna escape. I finally woke up 9 a.m.
8:30. That's not bad.
It's 9 a.m.
I got up at 8:30.
Okay, guys, we are riding now. It's been a while since I went off-roading. So I will be moseying along, probably falling on my ass. I'm trying to just ride the 701 without taking Kyle's bike. I am on a rut. Oh no. I'm doing okay so far. I'm also not going fast, so that's another thing. This would be like the perfect spot to fly a drone, but I didn't bring the drone.
You doing okay?
Yeah, I can't go fast because if I do, I have to maneuver on the ruts. It hurts my wrist, so I gotta be like careful. Because of the bump, like that bump, I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's like putting pressure on my wrist.
Easy as pie. It's actually harder from a stop, like when you stop at the top. Oh, nice little off camera. Ooh, hello, massive hill climb. The 350 just hooked up and went. wow, that is probably the steepest thing I've ever been on a 350. This would be absolutely impossible on a GS. Nice. I would never, well, not at the moment, dream of doing that on the 850. Even if you somehow made it up, you sure as hell aren't making it down. That was fun though on the 350. That's a real confidence builder. This bike, just when you thought you had asked from it all that it had to give, you just twisted the throttle a little bit more and it had plenty left. So it wasn't any particular skill, it was just like, it seemed like first gear was endless on this bike. Massive downhill rutted turn. So I'm actually just gonna ride the ruts. That way it keeps me inside. All right, here comes the worst of it. Whee! Did you see that, guys? I caught some air. I'm just kidding. Oh, this is worse than Hollister. I don't remember seeing anything like this in Hollister. Like, look at that. I'm not even slipping the clutch. I'm just, first gear, absolutely endless on this bike. That and the tires, I think.
Yeah, the TKC 80. Those are nice tires.
They never even really slipped. Like, it never even felt iffy.
That's nice.
Wow, unstoppable.
Yeah. TKC 80 is actually really nice, but they're softer. So if you commute with them, they won't last very long. But if you're just using it for trails like this mostly, you're good. And it's not that expensive.
And we aired down and then never aired back up. So that's actually working. It's working to our advantage. Wasn't that like 2 trips ago we aired down? You want this bike or you want that bike?
I'm okay with this one. It did okay so far. Oh, do you want to go this one? Look, there's a pull out here too with a hill.
Oh, it splits into 2. Holy mother of God. Okay, I don't want to ride that, but I do want to go like show the viewers. Like, it's so steep that I can't even see the bottom. I can see where it comes out and I can see where it goes down, but it's so steep there that I can't see where it ends. Of course, now that I didn't do it, I really want to do it. So I tell you what, viewers, we'll come back and we'll do it for you. Oh wow, hello. Oh, there's like shotgun shells everywhere. trespassing with a well-worn with a well-worn path right around it. Oh shit, that's not where I came from. Really downhill. I ended up on, ooh, wow, roller coaster. I don't know if the GoPro shows how steep this is, but I would guess 30 degrees, maybe. Although I do feel a lot more confident after having done that other one.
Oh wait, this is not a turnaround. This goes to somebody camping there. Hold on. Here, I'm gonna turn around so I'm not imposing on his campground. Oops. I'm gonna just turn this bike around. Yeah, it's easier for me to do this than to tiptoe left and right to turn it. There's actually less energy.
We gotta get you like a little 250 or something that you can just blast on.
I know. I was like, when I was in Bolivia, I go faster, but then I had a little bike. It's different. But the view here is better. Look at that. That was really fun though. I had a lot of fun. Yeah, I gotta put some Tiger Balm on my wrist. Time for some Tiger Balm. I am not sponsored by Tiger Balm, by the way, but it's like really good. It's the best one that I've been using. That's really good, helping me with my yeah, because it's right here, the pain, but it goes like when I ride, so it starts from here because I have a ganglion cyst here that I think probably is what's causing like the initial pain, and then it just travels down here. It's time for lunch, guys. Check this out, guys. So I've had this for 20, when did I start riding? And now it's finally like destroyed. Alaska, she wants hot dogs. She just does whatever she wants. You can't control her. The 350 needs a lot of maintenance. We're gonna have to do some maintenance.
I hear a metal on metal click every once in a while, like a really loud click, and then it's really trying to kill itself at idle.
But the 350, and when Kyle was saying we should lower it, I was like, nah, I can ride that bike. It doesn't matter.
Well,
and I don't commute it. I don't like to commute it anyway because it's not comfortable. I don't like the seat. It's so skinny.
Should still lower it. That way you can ride it out here with confidence.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
That's another thing, was because I think I'm starting right here instead of right here. So my learning curve is like this instead of like this. As usual, don't forget to leave comments in the comment section below. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Ride safe and see you on the next video. Bye.
See ya.